Hi, today we are going to talk about a basic Python script which can use pre-built in defined functions from Napalm that can be used to quickly fetch some data from the router, like the routing system's hostname, the version, the uptime. A lot of these data can be quickly fetched by using this wonderful function from Napalm, where they have pre-built functions like getFacts, for example, is just going to connect to this particular router in question. The username passwords are just given directly on the script. But of course, you can have the username password taken off from this script and have it stored as a variable so that nobody has access to your username password. But other than that, the script is very simple. So from Napalm, we import the get network driver function, which is what we've used on all the previous videos to connect and get a lot of information from the routers. JSON is pretty much for displaying the output in JSON format. I have also imported datetime, but I am not using this function on the script. There are other scripts that will be using this function. So I define this particular variable name called junos driver, and I call this function from the Napalm. And the junos I'm connecting to is Juniper. So that's why the junos name is given here. If you are connecting to Cisco or any other vendor platform, you just have to replace this particular name with those corresponding vendor names. And those details are easily available on the internet, and you should be able to easily use that. And then what I do is I create a new variable. The next line on my script is calling it as an MX router, and I call this driver with which will invoke the get network driver to connect to the Juniper device. So that's what this particular variable is doing. This variable was previously mapped to get network driver, which is what the Napalm function is about. I have given the parameters of the device that I'm trying to log in, the username and the password. And then what happens is we open a connection to the box. We try to get facts. This is the Napalm function that I was talking about. It will connect and try to quickly display the facts from the router, and the outputs are printed in JSON. Now let me try to run the script and see what really happens. So I call Python 3 and I invoke the script. And what will happen is it will connect to the box and display the facts, like, so, as I said, all the interfaces. There you go. We have all the details here. So starting off with, it's telling me the vendor to which I connected my box, the model of that router, the serial number, the operating system version, as you can see, the host name, and finally the uptime and the total number of interfaces that are on this box. So it's pretty much giving us a quick detail about what this box is all about, the version, the serial number, the product name, along with the type of interfaces that this box is configured. So hope you like this video. We'll catch up with more such examples of Napalm and how we could use it to get some quick data out of the boxes. Bye for now.